Hey, this is Kyle with Craft and Q on Instagram, and I was coming at you today with a challenge from BBQ Island. We're doing a pulled pork, but we're gonna do it a little differently today. We're gonna do sriracha and orange juice. That is the May challenge. Secret ingredient is oranges. So we're gonna do a little bit of orange juice in it, a little bit of orange on the rub, and then something a little interesting at the end. So y'all stay tuned. 3/4 cup orange juice, half a cup of water, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup salt, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and some grilled grass off pork infidel rub.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, we're about to wrap the orange Boston butt. All right, we got it all wrapped up here in the Oklahoma Joe peach wrap. Got the thermometer back in. Everything's looking good, so we still got a good bit of our snake method left, so we're gonna see how this goes all the way to 202. All right, the temp's at 202. We're gonna pull it, put it in the cooler, and let it sit for an hour. All right, here we go. It smells delicious. Crap. I can already tell it's falling apart. There it is.